peanut butter cupcake filled with grape jelly and topped with mousse frosting. Wheat or white? Our recipe uses the age-old creaming method, where you first sift all your dry ingredients. 2 cups of cake flour, baking powder, baking soda, and kosher salt is too big for the sieve holes. Mix all your wet ingredients now. Milk, oil, sour cream, ½ cup each, vanilla extract. Well, if it isn't the Broken Nose Brigade! Nadia Scorchfield, Bungeldorf, Jum, that's 1 full oven of burnt biscuits. Cream together 1 cup of peanut butter and 1 cup of sugar. We don't want to wash out our measuring cup, so we use the 3rd cup 3 times. Math. Add each egg in 1 at a time, scraping the bowl after each one. The peach is safe. The eggs are sealed. What could you possibly want? I want vengeance. I want a glitter gun. I want a universe of order. She lied too many times. Now she's got a space carrot where her face should be. Alternate in your dry in thirds and your wet in halves. We put a little bit of rice in the bottom to absorb the oils. And this time, we got it evenly distributed. That little scoopy thing sure helps out a lot. Bake for 18 to 20 minutes. And clearly, you want a nose job, Sweet Pea. This is not how it's supposed to go. This is a strategic retreat. Not a total collapse. Oh. Your idea of strategy, sweetheart, is like a pie with no filling. Loud, messy, and just plain sad. Why is it making kazoo noises? Man, I grew up eating peanut butter and jelly cupcakes. You know, I bet you were a good kid growing up. Every day at lunch. We use the metal mixing bowl because you'll need it for the double boiler. You'll see in a minute. To your powdered sugar, add 2 eggs, ½ a cup of milk, and a dash of kosher salt. I didn't put that in there with the fake peach scent. Don't you know? I don't know why I was making that. What you do, Dum-Dum? Wait, that's not coming from the lore. That's Willifreda's magic if I ever recognized it. Ooh, la 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 la. Just a pinch of absinthe extract. Put your bowl over boiling water and whisk away until it reaches 160 degrees. We're gonna pasteurize those eggs. Only takes 5 minutes. Take it off the heat and add in 8 ounces of semi-sweet chocolate or white chocolate if you ate your PB&J on white bread. 1 cup of unsalted butter. Vanilla likes to go in last. It's persnickety. It doesn't like the heat. Whisk it all together. You can stick it in the refrigerator to help cool it down. It won't become frosting until you get it to around 60 degrees. Just a pinch of absinthe extract, a splash of spiced rum, and a drop of, international interdimensional peach liqueur. Great Caesar's ghost! That wasn't nutmeg! used an apple core. Fill it with jelly. What was your favorite flavor? There is plenty of frosting to make that mile-high top on each one of them. Everyone hold on to something. That's a pantry pull if I ever seen one. My pudding cooler. My emergency frosting gun. It's all getting sucked. Wilfreda opened the kitchen portal again. We're heading home. Oh, sugar. I just had my lashes laminated. This better not ruin my entrance.